5, 4, 3, 2.
I know, you see, somehow the world will change for me and be so wonderful. Live life, breathe air. I know somehow we're gonna get there and feel so wonderful. It's all for real. I'm telling you just how I feel. So wake up, the members of my nation. It's your time to be. There's no chance unless you take one. And the time to see the brighter side of every situation. Some things are meant to be, so give me your best and leave the rest to me. Leave it all to me. Leave it all to me. Just leave it all to me.
Freshmen, sophomores, juniors, seniors. Long ago, the 4 grades learned together in harmony. Then, everything changed when coronavirus attacked. Only Greenwave TV, uniter of all 4 grades, could bring entertainment. But when the school needed it most, they vanished. Several months passed and school finally reopened. Production could begin. And although there's work in progress, there's still a lot that needs to be done to produce a finished episode. But Greenwave TV will return.
It's been 5 months since I've seen my boyfriend. 5. 5 no hugs, no cuddles, no dates. That is too long. I mean, I'm going literally insane. Great way to start off sophomore year.
Whoa, sounds like someone's not loving the whole strict quarantine thing. You just gotta stop worrying and get in touch with some friends.
You gotta focus less on all the craziness and focus on what you want, like what colleges you want to apply to.
My boyfriend.
I mean, she does have a point. It's been a while, and it would be nice for her to see him.
Well, it sounds like you want to see your boyfriend. I heard advice from someone regarding a similar situation, just like yours.
Wait, is this actually good or just some cliche freshman advice?
Oh, it's cliche freshman advice, and it's as good can get. 2 lovers, unable to see each other. A virus ruined their day nights, and they're forced to stay 6 feet apart. Found a way to be together. Yeah, I forget the next couple of lines, but I think it goes something like secret channel, through a Zoom call, secret channel, yeah.
I think we'll just stick to snapping.
It must be nice to have a boyfriend during all this. Help you relax, reassure you, and just be there if you need someone to talk to.
My first boyfriend dumped me right when quarantine started.
That's rough, buddy.
I'm sorry, you were saying something? I didn't hear you.
What do you mean you didn't hear me? I've been talking to you for a while now. You know what? If you're not going to listen to me, then never mind. What? I thought you were ignoring me. I said I can't hear you. I'm deaf. That means I physically can't hear you. It wasn't until I looked up, read your lips, that I understood what you said. I can't hear anything. I need you to understand when you're talking to me, to take down your mask so I can read your lips, so I can understand what you have to say, because I want to hear you. I want to understand you. I'm sorry, I didn't know that. I'll do that next time. Can you teach me some sign language? Sure. How about hi? Hey, didn't see you there. The past sequence was based on an everyday experience of a deaf person. When a deaf person goes up to a hard of hearing person, they often see that they didn't understand them, and they often walk away. Communicating with a deaf or a hard of hearing person, you need to learn how to be patient with them. They can understand what you're saying, but they need to be looking at your lips for them to understand what you're saying. It is important to understand that ASL is their first language, English being their second. So, when they're speaking English, they're helping you understand what they are saying by reading your lips. If you do learn ASL, it's a beautiful language and it has an amazing culture. Learn about the culture and the background before you judge any. Sign with you later.
Hi, my name is Chef Bart, and today is the first episode of Cooking with Chef Bartholomew. Today we're cooking popcorn chicken with my chef's assistant, Antoine.
Hello everyone!
The first ingredient we are going to need is a pound of boneless, skinless chicken. Antoine, let's go get this chicken.
Come with me! Come with me! We're hunting for the chicken now. There it is! The chicken! Now, this is a very rare, very hard to catch piece of chicken, and we're gonna need a whole pound of it. Where did it go? Ah! Antoine! Antoine!
Okay, now that we're back in the kitchen with our recently acquired chicken, we're gonna use some spices for the chicken today. We're gonna use nutmeg, some celery salt, onion powder, and it's the middle of October, so you know, we're gonna have to use this pumpkin spice flavoring that I found. We're gonna wanna open all of these.
Wait, aren't you supposed to, hold on. It says here in the recipe, you're only supposed to put them on like, one at a time.
She said here in the recipe, you're supposed to put them on one at a time. Okay, we're just gonna eyeball that. That looks like enough. Now follow me to the oven. Now that we're at the oven, we're gonna add one special ingredient. Lighter fluid.
Isn't that flammable? My God, you can't put that in the food.
Of course I can. Now that it's thoroughly drenched in lighter fluid, we're gonna add it to the oven. Okay, Antoine, what's the worst that can happen?
Well, ladies and gentlemen, we have both good news and bad news. First, the good news. Our popcorn chicken came out looking phenomenal. Bad news is the studio burned down. Antoine happened to be correct about the lighter fluid. We no longer have a studio. Other than that, everything's good. Well, join us next time when we make more delicious food.
Gotta follow you, we're gonna solve that mystery.
I seen some I never saw. Everybody was moving, grooving, girls, they were dancing on the bar. Now this wasn't no ordinary dance. Hey man, why is everybody swimming in a trance? I couldn't figure it out like your grandpa's riddle. I asked them what they doing and they said, just say wiggle. Now move your hips and dance like fish.
Watch this. Ooh, Tyler. No, come on, let's stop. Oh, hey, Dylan.
Hey, I just wanted to see how the skit was going before I left. I got to pick up my sister.
Well, I mean, it's pretty good, I think. It's going. A little bit.
Okay, film some more.
You know, because.
Yeah, we're trying to do a thing right now. Anyway, I'm head out. Look, listen.
Bye, Dill.
Okay, guys, hey, can we be done now? Can we film?
Yeah.
Thank you.
I'm gonna figure this out.
What the hell was that? What was that? Do you think you could beat Dylan?
I hope not.
I hope not either.
Like, let's go see this.
He fell because he was dumb.
I like construction never doing all the work. It's probably still for bands out.
Oh, guys, come on. We got the foot out.
We need to.
Okay, but wait just a minute. Like, we need to at least find someone for help. I don't know.
Sophia. Are you serious? She could be hurt. Are you kidding?
Sophia,
Come on.
guys, come on, wait up. Come on. Seriously, we should think about it. Guys, hold on.
Sophia!